Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Dr. Oetker pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Dr. Oetker pudding mix, 500 milliliters of milk, and 50 grams of sugar. Make sure you also have a medium-sized saucepan and a whisk on hand. This quick preparation will ensure a smooth and creamy dessert every time. It's a perfect treat for any occasion, ready in just a few minutes. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients. Take your Dr. Oetker pudding mix and carefully empty the entire packet into a small, separate bowl. Next, add the 50 grams of sugar directly to the pudding mix. Use a spoon or a small whisk to stir these 2 ingredients together very well. This crucial step helps to prevent any lumps from forming when you add the milk, ensuring a perfectly smooth and creamy texture for your pudding. It's time to cook our pudding. Pour the 500 milliliters of milk into your saucepan and place it on the stovetop over medium heat. Bring the milk to a gentle boil, watching it carefully. Once boiling, slowly add the combined pudding mix and sugar while continuously whisking. Keep stirring vigorously for about 1 minute. You'll notice the mixture quickly thickening into a rich, creamy pudding. This rapid cooking process makes it incredibly convenient. Once your pudding has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Carefully pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Let it cool down a bit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. For the best results, cover the dishes and refrigerate the pudding for at least 30 minutes or until it's perfectly chilled and set. Now it's ready to enjoy as a delightful, easy-to-make dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.